Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing our Teeny-Tiny Doily series. On our next Teeny-Tiny Doily we have already added our first circle, and we will now add our next circle, which we will do in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that means we need 3 high and 2 low, so I need 3 of the green, which I'm using for high, and 2 of the low, and then we go through that bead our string is coming out of. And to get in position for the next circle, we will want to go through the 3 beads on the same side as your string. And that puts us at the bottom of our new circle. And we'll add the next circle in the next video. Hope to see you there.